everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take another look at Walmart. We looked at Walmart a few weeks ago, and I said with Walmart, it's pretty much a game of follow the bouncing ball. It trades very orderly. You can draw easy patterns on it and usually sell out at logical targets. And so I see this new pattern on Walmart where it's kind of wedging up here. We have new support at the 21-day EMA. It printed a higher low versus April the 29th. And earnings are coming up, but not for a couple of weeks. And so I would look for a bounce here on Walmart back to the top end of this upward sloping trend line at around $134. Now, this isn't a monster trade by any means, but it is a institutional liquid name that you can get in and out of with no problem. So keep an eye on Walmart. I think you have a trade here with a stop at the 21-day EMA. Look for a move through and a close above 131 as a trigger, and then look at 134, 135 as a sell target. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that was helpful. My name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter. I'll see you next time.